Kinakabahan ako Kuya Pao.
Is your time to shine. Any hidden talent.
Pwedeng mag-magic.
Sige, go!
Lahat kayo na nanonood, tsaka ikaw Kuya Pao. Hindi ko alam kung magic to Pili kayo ng number na magkasunod.
Okay.
Kunyari, number 1 and 2, 75, 76, ganyan. Sa isip nyo lang, okay? Yung malaking number, add it to 12, okay? Yung sagot doon, minus the small number that you chose, okay? Are you finished solving, guys? Yung mga number 1 million to 2 million. The answer is 13.
Oh! Oh, jeez!
Sheesh! Naniniwala kayo, hindi pa?
Tama ba?
Pwede ba ulitin?
Tama yung sa inyo, guys.
Naniniwala kayo?
Kasi yun yung mo ko eh.
Yeah!
Yun mo.
Damn, that's my hidden talent, guys.
Wow! Ang lupit ng talo. Oh my God! So, that was the hidden talent of Jumong. Wow!